Hey everybody, my name is Mrs. Roisland and I'm going to be your teacher this year at Liberty High School. Welcome. For some of you, I am your ELL teacher, and some of you, I teach you ELL and English 9. You get me 2 times a day. So I just wanted to introduce myself and say how excited I am to meet you, or for those of you who I have been your teacher before, I'm excited to see you again, even if it's online. I hope that soon we will get to come back to school because I've got the classroom all ready for you. There's Barack. Go down this way. Down there is Martin Luther King Jr. Let's give you a little quick spin around the whole classroom here so you can see it. Ooh, all the desks are ready for you. I've got books, I've got maps, I've got everything you need, and I just need you here. But hopefully soon. So, anyway, welcome. Again, my name is Mrs. Roisland. This is my 4th year teaching at Liberty. I've been here since the building opened. So I'm a long-termer, and I taught at West High before that. I am an original Iowan. I grew up on the other side of Iowa on a farm. So any of you who maybe came from a place where you lived in the country, I can relate. That's how I grew up. And I have a husband and I have one son who is 6 years old. He's a 1st grader. So this is my first time teaching online, just like it's probably your first time being an online student, and we are going to get through this together. So just so you know, the schedule, because we are a morning class, we meet on Monday, Wednesday, Friday. And then on Tuesday and Thursday, you work on homework in your house without me. You can always email me if you need help. If you want to set up a Zoom classroom, we can do some Zooming to work through some homework if you have questions, because I'm always there for you during that period. It's just that you don't have to Zoom with me during that period, if that makes sense. So be ready to Zoom on Monday, Wednesday, Friday. And when I say be ready to Zoom, what I mean is get out of bed. I know it's the first class or the morning classes, and so you might be tired and just want to lay in bed, but I don't want to see you in bed, much like I'm sure you don't want to see me in bed. That's just weird. So get out of bed, put on some clothes that are other than pajamas, and then situate yourself so you are ready to learn. Now, when we're on Zoom, you may not want everybody to see your business, right? You may not want everybody to see your house. And so if you can, you know how I've got like a blank wall here, you might just want to set yourself up where it's just kind of blank behind you. Or if you don't care, if you want everybody to see your living room, then sit in your living room. That's fine. You can do whatever you want. But if you could be in a place that's kind of quiet, or maybe get some headphones so it's not so loud if you've got little brothers or sisters or a dog or something that is distracting, try to be in a place where it will be quiet, okay? Because that will make it easier for us to have our Zoom conversations. And we will talk on the first day, so that would be Wednesday. So hopefully you're watching this video on Tuesday, because on Tuesday we don't meet. Tuesday is the day you're on your own. And so hopefully you'll watch the video and then kind of poke around Canvas and see if you can figure out Canvas. There's another video on there to watch about how to use Canvas. And then we'll meet face-to-face on Zoom tomorrow, Wednesday. Okay? And I'll talk to you some more about some different things that we can do with Zoom. If you have any questions, feel free to send me an email. And I hope to see you soon on Zoom tomorrow. Get out of bed, and I'll see you there, okay? Can't wait to get to know you this year. Talk to you soon. Bye.